feeder troubleshooting, today on Pellet Tech Talk. There are a few reasons why your stove may not be feeding correctly during operation. Not enough fuel in the hopper, a hopper lid switch fault, a vacuum switch fault, sawdust or debris in the auger system, or an auger system fault or jam. Let's go over each of these in more detail. 1. Not enough fuel in the hopper. The vertical auger system relies on the weight of the surrounding pellets to create the density needed for proper feeding. If the hopper gets too low, feeding may become sporadic or stop altogether. Think of the hopper as having a low density red zone, and anything below this threshold can result in inconsistent feeding. A good rule of thumb is to keep the hopper at or above 1/4 full at all times to prevent this from happening. 2. Hopper lid switch fault. The switch installed just under the hopper lid is designed to disengage the auger system when the hopper lid is open. If the switch is faulty, or if there is debris preventing the switch from fully engaging, this can result in an auger shutdown. See our lid switch video for more detailed troubleshooting. 3. Vacuum switch fault. The vacuum switch or pressure switch is designed to detect negative pressure that the exhaust fan creates. If the vacuum switch does not engage properly due to airflow problems or a fault, this will result in an auger shutdown. This switch does not become active until after the ignition sequence, however. So if your stove feeds correctly during ignition and then stops feeding during normal heating operation, this most likely indicates a vacuum switch issue. See our vacuum switch video for more detailed troubleshooting. 4. Sawdust or debris in the auger system. Many times, unwanted debris such as plastic from the pellet bags or a buildup of sawdust can cause difficulties for the auger bit. If the previous points have been verified to be working, the next step is to empty the hopper completely and inspect the lower auger feed opening. For best results, scoop out as many pellets as you can and then use a shop vac or ash vac to remove the remaining pellets and dust. With an empty hopper, you can now visually confirm whether the auger bit is turning or not when you activate it in diagnostics. 5. Auger system fault or jam. If all previous points have been verified to be working and not the cause of the feeding trouble, then there may be an auger jam or other similar fault. The most common fault is an auger jam, but a seized bearing or auger motor failure is a possibility. Auger jams usually occur due to poor pellet quality or foreign debris in the pellets. See our auger system video for more detailed troubleshooting and removal instructions. And that's it. You're all set. Thanks for watching. Until next time on Pellet Tech Talk.